So these are my 5 top business that you can actually start with zero or little capital in Nigeria. The first on my list is food business. This is going to make you a lot of money, and you can actually start with zero or little capital. All you have to do is just to post on your status that you are cooking and all of that. Students don't actually love cooking, especially when it comes to guys. They don't like cooking, so you can actually make money with that. Cooking is a very good business that you can actually start. And number 2 on my list is still on that cooking, but is snacks. For instance, like chin chin, cake. Students love snacks. Plantain chips, potato chips. Oh my goodness, students love snacks, especially during the exam period. It's something that you can actually go into. Actually, start this business with like little capital, low as 10,000 naira. Yes, you can start your snacks business with 10,000 naira and make money. When I started my changing business, I started with 5,000 naira, but that was last year. You know, since it's not expensive, so I would say maybe like 10,000 naira this year. Okay, the next on my list is jewelry business. Business is not every day, but it's a profitable business that you can actually start as a student. Okay, it's a very good business you can actually start, and you can start with zero or 20,000 naira. I won't say 10,000 naira because jewelry is actually you need like 20,000 naira to start it, because if you say you should start with 10,000 naira, you might not even be able to buy all the things that you actually need with that 10,000 naira. So if you start with 20,000 naira, 30,000 naira is still going to help you. And if you don't have any capital at all, you can always drop ship. All you need is just one good wholesaler number. Join their WhatsApp wholesale group, and then you start posting whatever they are posting in that group, and you're going to attach your own price to it. On my list is thrift wears, Okirika. You can actually start selling pant trouser, t-shirts, any form of Okirika wears. You can actually make money as a student. Even if you're not a student, you can actually do this as well. The fifth on my list is tutoring. This business is going to make you money. You don't even need any capital at all. You don't need any capital. Even if you need any capital, maybe you want to do flyer, and you can actually use Canva to do your flyer, so you don't have to pay anybody to do your flyer for you. Okay, you can actually use Canva to do your flyer, and that is this. Story is a very good source of income. I'm into educational consultants, and this is the right time for you to start as an education consultant if you want to start. When I talk about buy card, this particular video that I was talking about, I say I make 50,000 naira, 20,000 naira from this particular app. I used to sell scratch for students. I used to sell like exam checker, results checker. How do you get your audience to tutor? You can actually go on Facebook, create Facebook group, and people are going to join them. Jump tutor, jump online tutor, jump classes. Jump classes is actually one of the best, and you can also tutor your mates as well in your class. We have like jump classes. Yeah, people that is ready for that. And also as a tutor, as a scholar, you can actually make money when you help other colleagues to do their assignments as well in school. So these are my top 5 ways you can actually make money as a student in Nigeria. If you have any ideas, let us know in the comment section. Bye. See you in the next one, and do take care of yourself.